Today, I will show you how to know if you are shadow banned on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are different methods of predicting shadow ban, and there's one way to know for sure that your limits has been reached. Now, the other methods involve trying to predict signs of shadow ban, analyzing rich insights, and using a manual hashtag test. But the official way of knowing if you're shadow banned is using the account status tool. So what you're going to do is you're going to launch your Instagram application, and once that's launched, you're going to go to your profile and you're going to click on the three hamburger on the far right of the top navigation. Once you click on it, it's going to open settings and activity. You're going to click on search. You're going to search for account status. You're going to go to account status. What you want to click on is limits to reach. And once you click on it, you can see mine is already green. You have a green check. So it says I don't have limits to my account. But if you do have reach limits on your account, it's going to say you have limits here, and you definitely know that your account has been shadow banned. Now that's how to officially know if your account is shadow banned on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.